Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. How are you? Put it down in the comments. Okay, guys. I have my Glow Addict Beauty Box. We need to talk about this. I've done a little research and I've run some numbers and gone back and forth with this subscription and some of the other ones that I get. Little comparing. I do get this Glow Addict Beauty Box, and I also get their beauty bag. And I've been kind of on the fence on whether I'm going to continue this subscription. So, hang in there. I've got a bunch of information for you if this is something that you are considering getting. So, we're going to dive right in. Now, the Glow Addict Beauty Box is $18.99 a month. And with that, there is shipping. Now, I paid $4 for my shipping, but I've had several of you come back to me and go to sign up for this using my discount code and say, Jess, they were wanting $8 for shipping. So I don't know if that price fluctuates depending on where you live. I don't know. But my first point is a majority of our subscription boxes, or at least mine, shipping's included. So I will start off with that. So technically for me, $18.99 for the box and $4 for shipping. So I pay $22.99 a month for this, and that doesn't include tax. But we're starting with that. Now, I will go through everything in this month's box. And I did also, the box does not come with a card or a breakdown of everything you're getting. So I did obviously look up all the products and have basic prices for you. So the first thing in this May 2021 box is the Luna's Deep Into the Skin Green Tea Essence Mask. This is what it looks like. And okay, that's fine, a sheet mask. A lot of people love these. I personally don't use them, but it's okay. I looked it up and it retails for $1. Very affordable. Okay. Next, we get a set of lashes. And these are Wink lashes. I looked these up. Okay, so I could not find these for sale on the Wink Lash website for individual purchase. I was only able to find a subscription for the lashes. In the subscription, you get 5 pairs of lashes for $9.99. So, okay. Are they getting, is Glow Addict getting a subscription? And then breaking the subscription up to fill our boxes? I don't know. Maybe they work something out with Wink Lash. I don't know. But what I do know is basically these round out from the subscription box technically to about $2 for the lashes. Next is from iBeauty, and this is a metal eyelash, fake false eyelash applicator, so it helps when you are applying false lashes. This I could not find for individual resale. But the ones that I did find were about $5. Okay. Next. This is also from iBeauty. And this is actually my favorite thing we got in this box. This is a felt tip eyeliner, right? But it's purple. So we're going to actually take this baby out and give it a try. Now, pricing on this, you can buy this individually off of the iBeauty website for $9.99. Again, I find that very affordable for a colored lash glue liner. iBeauty does also have a sub box, and their sub box is $13.99. So I don't know. But the other thing I'm going to actually do is take these lashes out, use the purple glue. We're going to see how good this baby works and how good it sticks on with the lashes. Okay. So the pigment on this, that's flippin' amazing. It's a little blotchy, but you can fill it in. Okay, let's stick the lashes and see how this glue works. There we go. Okay, I can feel like I'm touching my finger to the liner as I'm trying to push this on, and it does actually feel pretty tacky. I'm going to let this set for a minute. Okay, moving on while this sets. Next, we've got a eyeshadow palette from Milani. And this is Earthy Elements palette. And it retails for $8.24. And then last but not least is the Millennial Beauty Mist Sprayer. So I did find this and it retails for $10, but I actually am super excited about this because, okay, this is what it looks like. And what you do is you plug this in and charge it. Yeah. So you fill this with your own liquid product, right? You put your own toner or micellar water or whatever you want in there. And then you just push this button after it's charged. It's not charged now. Oh, wait, no, yeah. I don't hear a motor, but look at it. It lights up. Can you see that? That's cool. I don't know. I mean, I know it's only $10, but I think that's flippin' adorable. And you can mist your face. Okay, back to the eyelashes. Oh, yeah. I mean, they stuck. I think if you put a couple layers on, it should stick and work okay. I don't know. But anyway. Okay. The total value of this box, and remember, $22.99 with shipping, is $36.24. So, here's what I did. Calculated out what the total savings, or the percentage of discount, technically, we're getting by getting this subscription in lieu of paying full price for these products. So this month's savings was 37% about, right? Okay. I went back and I calculated out one of the boxes from my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy. Granted, okay, they are one of the biggest, or some of the biggest subscription box companies out there. And not everybody is going to be able to get the products and the brands and stuff like that like they do. I get it. But by purchasing your subscriptions through BoxyCharm and Ipsy, your average savings a month compared to what you would pay for full retail on your products you're getting is up and up of 80%. So, this is me being honest with you. You know me, I am not a mean person. I try not to be mean, and even if I have to talk negatively about something, I try to do it in a really, really nice way. So, I'm just giving you the numbers so that you can make your own decision on what you choose to do in getting or not getting a subscription through GlowAddict. Me personally, I am going to move on. I've gotten both of their box and their bag for a couple of months now, and I'm just not in love with it. I'm not in love with the stuff I'm getting, and the savings isn't enough technically for me because I'm spoiled with some of the other boxes that I get. That's it. That was my May 2021 GlowAddict Beauty Box. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know if, your thoughts on how I broke everything down and calculated the savings and stuff like that, because I technically really haven't done that before with any of my other subscriptions. Let me know what you think about that. Put it down in the comments. And on some of the newer boxes, if it's something you'd like to know. And I will do it again with some new things that I try. Okay. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a little while during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so, so much. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button, please. I love you. Thank you. Talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.